What's going on, family? I want to show you guys how easy it is to give your money a job. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to turn my $200 right into 360 in a matter of 1 minute. So look, I simply just press this green button, and all I want is for price to stay above my current entry. So let me actually zoom in here so you guys can see it. But you see where this green line is? As long as this little green box right here stays above this green line within the next 24 seconds, you guys, I'm going to win a profit of $160 just like that. Now, I want you guys to think about this, right? What are you currently doing right now to turn $200 into 360? How many hours out of your day do you have to spend at your job to make that kind of return on your investment? See, if your money is not working for you, then you're doing it all wrong. So in the next 1 second, clear. All right, you guys. So I just earned $360 trading the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Now, if this interests you, if you want to give your money a job by simply pressing a button, you guys, go ahead and fill out the questionnaire below. That way you can learn how to employ your money and make it work for you.